Simplify the cube root of k power 4 times the fourth root of k power 5. We are going to apply the laws of indices. N, the nth root over a power m is equal to a power m over n, and a power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So we are going to apply these laws of indices. So from here we can express the cube root of k power 4 as a k power 4 over 3 times the fourth root of k power 5 as a k power 5 over 4. Now we want to find the LCM over 3 and 4. LCM over 3 and 4 is 12. So now we can say that this is a k power 4 over 3 plus 5 over 4 according to these laws of indices. So from here we are going to find the LCM of 3 and 4. So we can say that this is k power 4 times 4 minus plus 5 times 3 over 12. Over 12. So this is giving us k. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 5 times 3 is 15 over 12, which is equal to k power 31 over 12, which is equal to the 12th root over k power 31.